So, good afternoon class. Today we will discuss about your third unit, that is third unit first lesson, that is the selfish gain part 1. So here the selfish gain is a parts, that is there is a two parts in this lesson. So now in this class we will discuss about the part 1. So part 2 will be discussed in the another lesson. So in the both parts how a gain, that is a selfish gain and a old gaint, that is how a gaint behaves and what happened to his garden we will discuss in this lesson. So here characters are old gaint, that is children and all. Here the old gaint and the gaint are the both are the same, that is the old gaint means he is a kind hearted and he is in his old age, and the gaint means in the adult age how he behaves and what things he did and how selfish he is in his adult age is describing the gaint. So here the old gaint means he is kind hearted. Now the old gaint he is narrating the lesson to us by that is by his story. So here the old gaint himself is telling about how he is in the adult age. So here one thing it is important is the old gaint and the gaint are both the same characters, they are not different. So here special point is the old gaint is describing how he is in the adult age. This is all about the important point. So here the gaint, that is in his adult age he used to own a garden. So the garden is very beautiful with the flowers and the birds come and sing songs every evening, and there is a 12 peach trees with beautiful flowers and all. The garden is look like simply the garden look like a heaven. So the children passing through the garden, or they stop the playing and they will listen the bird songs and all, and they also sing with the birds. So the that is the I mean the garden is very much beautiful, and the gaint owns the garden. So here the old giant is telling how that is the old giant is telling that is in his adult age he used to own a garden, but now also he owned a garden, but how he behaved in his adult age he is narrating to us. So here the garden is very beautiful. So suddenly in that is his friend came to meet him. So after he came, this giant went with his friend, and he has stayed 7 years with his friend. Then after completing the 7 years, he thought that I should return to my garden. So how my garden is that is how my garden is looking, or how my garden is there, I have to go for my own place and I have to take care of my garden. Then he came out of his friend and he came to his garden. There, when he came to his garden, there are many people playing in that garden. So many people playing in that garden, that is the small children are playing with that playing in that garden. Then this giant, he is a very selfish person, came and said this garden is my garden and it is my garden only, understood? Don't play in them and don't play in this garden and don't come into the garden. This garden owns only for me. And he he built a wall in his garden, and he stickered that no one should come into the garden. Then all the children, that is a small boy, short boy, and small girl, tall girl, all are discussing that this garden is very beautiful. Then that selfish gain is not allowing us to play in that garden. Then how we will play? Then one boy says that we will play on the road. Then another girl says that the roads are very dirty, how can we play on the road? And some children are saying that the bird sounds are very good, and we have so much memories in that garden. Now that game is not allowing us to play, and not allowing us to step in the garden. Then how we will play? And they are feeling very sad, and murmuring, that is they are talking to each other, and they are somewhat that is angry on that is angry on that gate. And here angry on that gate, and the gate is saying that this garden is only me and it will belongs to me only, don't come and play. Then after that, no one that is the children going to school or going anywhere, they see the walls and they will that is memorize some memories in that garden. And after that, no one is coming to that is no one is coming in that garden to play. Then after that, in all the that is in the surroundings, the autumn passed away, not the autumn passed and the spring is coming. But in this gained garden, there is a no spring season, only autumn, that is autumn means winter, no. Only the autumn season is continuing, there is no spring, and there are not at all birds coming in that garden, and there is not at all different flowers. And in the surroundings, they spring came, and the sun came and the light came, and different golden flowers, yellow pink flowers came. But in that garden only, there is much of that is ice, winter and all, and there is no flowers. And the autumn season is thinking that okay, there is in the surroundings there is a spring season came, but in this garden there is no spring season, so we can stay the whole year here only. Then the garden is very cool with ices, and there is a frost. What is a frost means? Small pieces of ice will be there, no, on the leaves. That all will be there in that garden, and there is no not at all sunlight and all, and the garden become very dull and all. So here why this garden is not getting the sunlight, we don't know. So in before, the children used to play in the garden and all, then there is a birds coming and singing, and there is a butterflies and all. But when the children began to, that is the children are not coming, then the garden becomes dull, and there is no flowers, fruits, no flowers, no birds coming and all. Why this is happening, we will see in the part 2. So here that is a suspense lesson. So if you understand the first part only, you will going to be understand the second part. So here till here it is the part 1, and it is a suspense story. That is the leftover story we will discuss in our next lesson and the next class. Hope you understand. Thank you.